I'm Stephen Kareem, founder of Urban Detox. I'm a specialist in medical ozone, holistic health, and detoxification, and I'm going to take you through a quick and simple guide into medical ozone. Okay, so what is ozone, and are there different types? Ozone is an extremely powerful and oxidizing gas. There are three types of ozone. There is the ozone that makes up the ozone layer, there is the tropospheric ozone, and finally there is medical ozone, the purest form of ozone which is applied for the therapeutic purposes only. The basic principle is when oxygen is subjected to enough energy, it is broken apart into atomic oxygen. Atomic oxygen is very reactive, which means it will not hang around for very long and will react instantly with another oxygen and form ozone. This is how the ozone layer is made in the stratosphere. The energy from UV light being emitted by the sun breaks up the oxygen and makes atomic oxygen, which then reacts with other oxygen producing ozone. This continuous reaction goes on to form the ozone layer. Tropospheric ozone is different because it is made as a direct consequence from smog. No smog, no tropospheric ozone. It is a direct byproduct from smog pollution, mainly seen over major cities across the world. Medical ozone is made by using medical oxygen gas as its source and using a specialized calibrated generator that breaks apart the medical oxygen so it can reform to make medical ozone oxygen mixture. Ozone gas is an irritant to the respiratory system and should not be breathed in directly into the lungs. This is the reason why tropospheric ozone can be problematic for those with respiratory issues like asthma. Now, a professionally trained medical ozone practitioner uses four main areas that define the standards and guidelines that ensure that medical ozone can be delivered safely and effectively. Medical ozone has the ability to destroy a wide range of pathogens like viruses, bacteria, fungi, and some parasites, which is quite a powerful property on its own. It can do this by oxidizing the membrane of the pathogen. Once inside the pathogen, it oxidizes the membrane of the nucleus, destroying the pathogen's DNA. Medical ozone activates the red blood cell metabolism. Now, the red blood cell has to bind oxygen so it can transport it around the body. What medical ozone does is improves the release of oxygen from the red blood cell into the surrounding tissues and cells where it is actively needed. At the same time, it increases the production of ATP, the energy required by the red blood cell to perform their function. Medical ozone increases the red blood cell's capacity to become more flexible, which improves the red blood cell's ability to reach further into the peripheral and microcapillary blood circulation, which means more oxygen circulating around the body, more oxygen reaching our organs, and more oxygen optimizing all our enzymatic metabolic functions. Medical ozone activates the immune system. It does this by stimulating special messenger cells that communicate to the immune system, that enable to boost or modulate our immune response. This means that when our immune system is low, it will provide added support to increase our immunity. Other times, our immune system may need help to come back into balance, especially in autoimmune responses, and medical ozone brings our immune system back into balance. Medical ozone prevents oxidative stress. It does this by regulating the antioxidant enzymes already involved in neutralizing the effects of antioxidative stress in our bodies. With medical ozone, the ability to regulate the antioxidant enzyme, it increases the body's capacity to manage oxidative stress more effectively and efficiently, thereby reducing the impact of oxidative stress on our body. medical ozone can be a powerful support and speed up our rate of recovery, repair and revitalization from a whole range of symptoms. Now that we have the basics on medical ozone, in part 2 we talk about how we deliver medical ozone into the body safely and effectively, and how urban detox can fast-track your well-being.